So guys, now we are going to talk about the 8th rank holder in this year's UPSC exam, that is Karthik Jain. Karthik Jain, already an IPS officer of Gujarat Kedar, Karthik Jain, a mechanical engineer, has made his Diamond City proud by securing the 8th position in Union Public Service Commission exam, result of which were announced on Friday. In his third attempt to crack the exams, Jivani made a record of sorts by securing the highest rank from Gujarat in the history of the civil services exams in the state. Jivani had cleared UPSC exam twice in the past and was selected for IPS in his first attempt. In 2018, Jivani secured the 94th rank and was selected for IPS. Nurturing IAS dreams, he however appeared in the exam again in 2019 and got 84th rank in the results announced in August 2020. Jivani drew inspiration from the epidemic that Surat battled in 1994, the plague. As a young boy, he grew up reading about the untiring work of S.R. Rao, an IAS and former city municipal commissioner who restructured the city after the plague and wanted to become an IAS officer like him. Rao garnered nationwide recognition for his efforts as he brought the city on top of cleanest cities in the country after the plague. Karthik currently under training for IPS at Hyderabad and he appeared in the exam during 15-day special leave. He wanted to become an IAS officer, hence he appeared again and secured the highest rank ever by any candidate from Gujarat, said Dr. Nagji Bhai, a pathologist and father of Jivani. Jivani spent 10 hours daily for his preparation and studied mostly during night hours. Hailing originally from Gariyadhar village in Bhavnagar district, the Jivani settled down in the city for many years now. So as you can see guys, once again he did not leave his dream and kept on running towards it to finally become an IAS officer. So I wish him all the success in his life and I'm pretty sure he is going to do wonders in the field of Indian administration. So guys, here I would like to say that if you want to watch the mock interviews which are going to be very beneficial for you and all the aspirants, then I suggest you head to the website of Plutus IAS. All the mock interviews are live at their website right now and I think you should definitely check it out and take all the help you need from watching these mock interviews. So guys, since the name of Plutus IAS is out, let me tell you why it is considered one of the best coachings when it considers IAS preparation. So guys, this year also Plutus IAS has proven to themselves to be the best when it comes to IAS preparation because a total of 9 candidates cleared the UPSC exam guys. Yes, you heard me right, a total of 9, and that is no easy task guys because the IAS exam is considered to be one of the toughest exams in the world, and that too for a coaching to help achieve 9 students their dream of becoming an IAS officer is an impossible task guys. And one more thing guys, if that was not enough, they also have managed to grab the top 30 positions in for 3 of the toppers. Yes guys, you heard me right, among those 9 students 3 are in the top 30 positions, and that is a very big feat guys. That itself speaks why Plutus IAS is considered the pioneer of IAS coaching in India at the moment. So guys, moving on, let's talk about a few of the features of Plutus IAS. So guys, the first feature would be the availability of both online and offline classes. Yes guys, Plutus IAS offers both online mode of classes and offline mode of classes, and this is very beneficial guys because of the situation we are in right now. It is going to be beneficial because now the student does not miss the classes no matter what the situation is, no matter if there is corona or there is no corona, the student can continue on with the preparation because a gap in the preparation will cost a student a lot. Not only his concentration is broken, but the flow that he was following is also broken. So yes guys, with the availability of both the mode of coaching, it's very beneficial for the student. As you have seen in earlier of the toppers, some of them opted for online coaching after the pandemic spread out. So yes guys, this is a very beneficial feature of Plutus IAS that is really beneficial for the students. So guys, moving on to the second feature, that is the Faculty. The faculty of Plutus IAS is like the best, guys. They are very friendly and treat the students literally as their classmates, I should say. They make them feel that no matter what the problem is or no matter what doubt they have, they can always approach the teachers to clear their doubts, guys. And they themselves have cleared the prelims exam, guys, so they know that what kind of strategy a student should be following to clear this tough exam. Because only, like I always say in my videos, guys, to clear an exam like the UPSC exam, only hard work is not going to do. You have to do smart work along with hard work, and this smart work is being taught by the faculty at Plutus IAS. So guys, moving on, the third feature would be the study material. So guys, the study material helps the students later on a lot by enabling him to go through all the topics quickly like a revision. And if the study material is unnecessarily long with unnecessary points and topics, it's only going to result in the wastage of time, and time is of the essence for the aspirants. So here, guys, the study material provided by Plutus IAS, everything is, even though written in very detailed manner, it's very short with no unnecessary information. So this helps the students go through all the topics quickly before the exam, and again this is very beneficial for the students. So guys, moving on to the mock test. Every week, and guys, frequently mock tests are being held there so that you can brush up your topics. And obviously, guys, through mock tests you realize that okay, this is the section I'm weak at, okay, so this is a section I need to work more on. So a mock test is a very beneficial tool for the students that enable them to measure themselves, guys. And obviously, guys, doubt clearing, like I mentioned before, the faculty at Plutus IAS treat the students as their friends, and they let them know that no matter what the problem is, they can always approach the teachers. So in this regard, guys, doubt clearing sessions are held very frequently, guys, so that the students can clear their doubts right there, right then, so that it does not continue on. Because if you don't understand a topic and if you keep on following or studying, then it's only going to become bigger and bigger to the point where other topics are not even understandable. So yes, guys, these are some of the very beneficial features of Plutus IAS. And like I mentioned, guys, as you know that 9 students have achieved their dream of becoming an IAS officer. So guys, if you are an aspirant and if you are looking for a good coaching that will help you realize your dream of becoming an IAS officer, then I would highly suggest you to go to Plutus IAS, because it is one of the best coachings when it comes to IAS preparation. So yes, guys, that was all about the toppers. And if this video has helped you, then make sure you hit that like button, and if you want to see more such videos, then please hit that subscribe button. I'll be coming up with more such informative videos for you every day. Until we meet next time, keep preparing.